It's been my fortunate experience to see firsthand how a structured settlement expert can use their talents to craft a settlement that would otherwise be unattainable. And quite frankly, many of our high-value cases absolutely would not settle without a structured settlement. Our primary clientele are union members, and unlike non-union members, their needs and desires are a little bit higher, and they require a little bit more care than non-union members, and mainly because of their pension. So what are the expectations of a union member? What do they want? Like anyone, they want out of the work comp system. They're tired of being told their medical treatment's denied. They're tired of being told they can't go to the doctor that has been treating them for 10, 20 years because they haven't pre-designated that doctor. They just want out. They're looking for ways to augment their non-fully funded pension. And so we've got to find creative tools in order to accomplish their goals. A very, very big part of our practice in recent times is home attendant care. It's a huge bone of contention with the insurance company and their lawyers. A number of times, actually in most cases, the attendant care and housekeeping issues or value actually exceeds the value of the permanent disability. This makes it a very, very ripe area for structured settlements. One important thing with regards to structured settlements and attendant care. A lot of times the injured worker and their family, they need money. They've incurred a lot of debt after the injury, either credit card debt or they've raided their retirement account. And a lot of times the family wants to get paid the attendant care or retro attendant care as fast as they can, even before the compromise and release and ultimately the structured settlement is put to bed. I would absolutely counsel your attorneys that you deal with to fold in or roll in the attendant care in the settlement. Reason being is if, as you can probably guess where I'm going with this, if the spouse is paid outside of the structured settlement, they're going to be taxed on it. They're going to be taxed heavily. If it becomes part of the structure, they're not going to be taxed. This is an example of one of our cases at the firm where a structured settlement actually exceeded the union members' expectations. And the example, so you know the history behind who actually received that, was an injured worker, an electrician apprentice, who was earning $16 an hour prior to the injury. Unfortunately, as a result of the injury, they became rendered a paraplegic. In order to meet his financial goals and the goals of his family, structured settlement was fashioned where $1 million upfront cash was given, also with payments of $4,000 per life. However, came with a caveat, a cash refund provision. Ultimately, the structured settlement is absolutely a powerful tool of settling cases.